Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire. Thanks for watching. Let's go ahead and tackle a random game and have a little fun. First things first, I like to go for the columns. We're going to have a move or two. I like to play the aces at first, most of the time. This two, we may play it, may not play it. That's kind of good, though, because we could open up a column if we need to. We're going to play the 8, 9, 10. So 8, 9, and 10. And we can play the jack under the queen, I believe. Well, maybe we can't. We're going to do it for now. We'll see how this draw pile shakes out. Let's click on that right there. Yeah, that was just a random figure of speech here. But this jack actually is at odds with this jack. Now, that we may find another queen and it won't matter, or we may not, and it may be important. So what we're going to do is we're going to back up a little bit and put that jack back. So there is a red 7 under this jack, so something to keep in mind. But this is very important to be able to play this because this card affects the rest of the draw pile, and there's 24 cards in there, so there's like 21 cards behind her. That means it can affect the reset however you want. The good news is we got some aces early on. That means we can move this 2 over here for now. It'll go up top. We're not going to play the aces yet. We're going to use this as insurance as well, because the more moves we get, the more. There's like 24 cards in the draw pile. If we can look at almost all of them, if we can even look at 22 of them, that's going to give us to greatly improve our odds of getting these columns open up. So that's the goal here. Let's see. There's a 6. No, I can't play that. There's a king. Kind of want to play it, but kind of don't. Gonna hold off here. I'm gonna play the king because there's a queen right here we could play underneath it. So gonna play the king, gonna play the queen, and then we could play this black jack eventually. That'll allow us to put this 10 of diamonds underneath it over here, and that'll open up this column. So that's our goal here. And I don't think there is another, or there is a red king there. Oh boy. Well, the other option was to move that red king. We're not going to second guess ourselves until we get stuck, and then we'll do it. Right now, we're just going to focus on the moves we can make. So we can make this 7. We can play this jack. We can play this 10. 10's important because we can open up this column. This is a big column. We want to open it up. And we do. This 6 is a very big card because it opens up this big column, and it lets us move the 5 of clubs as well. So I'm going to play that. And we're getting good luck here. Good luck on these cards. Sometimes it's just a matter of finding the one extra move. You can string through a bunch more. There's the 8 we're going to move. There's the ace of clubs. We're going to move that. We've got a 10 and we've got 2 jacks, so we can move the 10 for sure. What you do right there. Ace, the 2 of clubs we can move. More importantly, much more importantly, if you'll notice, there is a 3 of clubs, and there's a 2 of hearts. Those 2 of hearts will go up. That means the 3 of clubs and the 3 of hearts will go up. So we're going to be in good shape here. If you'll also notice here, there are 2 queens, 2 black queens. What does that mean? That means we do not have to hold this jack anymore. We can play it. So that's good for us. And we can move the 7 as well. That's very good. And now we can move the 6 of spades down. I'm going to move this 5 of diamonds down as well, and this 5 of spades down. May have gone a little fast here, but oh no, we're in the back of the dropout. This is good. This is a 4 of spades. We were going to move this 3 of hearts anyway. We'll move it here for now, and then move it up top later. Now we get to make a little bit of a decision between the 2 queens. I'm going to table that decision for now until we get the 2 aces up, which we will in just a minute. The jack is our insurance, so I believe we can play these 2 aces right now. So ace of diamonds here, ace of hearts. We'll play the 2 of hearts. We wanted to save it as insurance, and we got lucky. We moved a bunch of cards, so I think it's a safe to move those cards up right now. If not, we can always go back. Let's move the king over here to the open column. That's good. We can move the 6 of hearts here. Now we have a little challenge here. We want to move this king, obviously. We don't know which one of these 2 queens is the best option. We're going to play this queen of clubs first, use the undo feature, and then figure out which one's best. That gives us the 2 of diamonds and dead end. Okay, so that's probably not best. Let's try this one. That gives us the 3 of spades and also a dead end. So, let me see. This one was 2 of diamonds and dead end to the 10. We're not going to play either one, but when we get the red jack down, I think we're going to play this one right here because, yeah, that's a 10 there. Actually, we're just going to play that one right now. This red jack is right here. We're going to play the 10 under the 8 and try to open up that column there. So that's the goal going forward. Let's see, 5 of clubs we can play, I think. Yeah, we're going to eventually get... We'd like to, if we could... What we'd like to be able to do is get the 7 of clubs, 7 of spades in the 7 of clubs spot and put the 7 of clubs up top. Don't see a move for that yet, but if I do, we'll do that there. There's a 9, there's a 10, and there's no more moves there, so we'll just cycle through and go through again. This is our insurance card. We're going to save this until we have no more moves left. There's a 9 we can move. There's a queen. That's important because we can move this jack. More importantly, we can move this king over finally. And now we got a lot of moves here. We're going to bring this 8 of spades here. We're going to play the 7 of spades there. And I think we can move the 8 here if there's a slot for a king. If not, that's fine. And we're going to move the jack down this time, I believe. Yeah, we're going to move the jack down right now. We'll come back for these cards later. But first, we're going to move this 2. And then this king is going to drop. Actually, we can play the king right now, I believe. But I think the 6 needs to be out. So we would need a red 7, I believe. Because we want to get this 5 out of here. There's another way to do the 5 as well. Let's move this queen and this 10. And I think we pretty much... Yeah, this is one of these games we pretty much have solved here. So we played smart with the insurance to keep our moves out. We'll just have to get this 5 and 4. Oh, there's the 7. So I'm going to put the 7 here, bring the 6 down from the foundation pile, and then 5 and 4, and we have solved it. So that wraps this up. I'm signing out. Would like to thank you for watching. Hopefully I was able to teach you a trick or two. If not, of course, there are some more videos I have on solitaire tips. The best one that I've made, it doesn't have the most views, and it probably never will. It's like 35, 36 minutes long. It's a Solitaire Complete Tip Guide. It's got everything I could think of. It took me several months to make it. I put a bunch of different games together and saved the best ones. So I would recommend checking that out if you have not already. That's got pretty much most of my best tips in there. So anyway, thank you for watching, and good luck.